we talk about people getting bored in the training room. Well, if you can add a bit of fun, you can add a joke, I don't care, sing a line from a song. Many people that have been to my workshops will see that sometimes I throw that in. But everybody loves a little bit of fun, a joke, as long as it's relevant and it goes with the tone of what you're talking about. It keeps it entertaining. People want to listen to people that they like. So enjoy yourself. Once you get past that point of being, and to the point that you're learning the knowledge, once you get past that point and you can actually deliver it and you know exactly what you're talking about when it comes to the slides, to the content, have fun, because, well, we're only here once, right? So make sure that it's memorable. Again, if it's memorable, it's going to go into that long-term memory and it's going to make an impact, not just for today, long-term. People will tell other people about the workshop or the training that they were on.